Want free stuff from Temu? Let's find out if it's safe or a scam. First, understand how Temu offers free items. It's usually through referral programs and games within the app. You earn credits or free gifts by inviting new users or completing tasks. These games require a lot of participation. You'll spend considerable time clicking, sharing, and inviting friends to download the app and participate. Before diving in, check Temu's app permissions. Be mindful of what data the app requests, like access to your contacts, location, or camera. Consider if freebies are worth that much access. Next, be wary of unbelievably low prices or new user deals. This is often a tactic to lure you in. Always compare prices with other retailers and read product reviews carefully. Scrutinize Temu's privacy policy. Understand how your data is collected, used, and potentially shared. This is crucial for protecting your personal information. Search online for Temu reviews and user experiences. Look for patterns in complaints, such as delayed shipping, poor product quality, or difficulties with returns. If you decide to purchase anything, use secure payment methods like PayPal or credit cards. Avoid directly linking your bank account. This adds a layer of protection if something goes wrong. Ultimately, getting free stuff on Temu requires time, effort, and careful consideration. Weigh the risks against the rewards before diving in. What are your thoughts and experiences about Temu? Let me know in the comments below.